The purpose of this video is to show students how to log into their Google account and Google Classroom. The first thing students will need to know is they'll need to log into a computer and they'll need to either use Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome to access Google accounts. Internet Explorer does not play well with Google. When you're in your account or on the web browser of either Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome, the easiest thing to do is simply to go to google.com. Every Google page, regardless of what it is, in the top right-hand corner has a sign-in box. It's blue. Click Sign In. Your account is the first initial of your first name, your full last name, and if you have a hyphenated name, it is both names, and the last 4 digits of your ID number at cms.gaggle.net. Again, your username is the first initial of your first name, your full last name, the last 4 digits of your ID number at cms.gaggle.net. Your password is the same as logging into a computer. It's your birthday, written year, month, day. If you can't get into these accounts, please see Ms. Bucci or Ms. Farron in the Media Center unless your teacher knows how to reset a Gaggle account. There is a box down here that allows you to stay signed in. If this is a computer you're going to continuously go to, we recommend that. However, if this is a one-time deal, going to a lab, then you probably don't want to click Stay Signed In. If it is a device like an iPad that there is no user login, then it's extremely important that you do not select Stay Signed In, because that way someone else will be able to access your account when they pick up that device. Once you log in, you'll notice that instead of the Sign In button, it will now have your information in the top. That is very important. If you want to toggle to any of your other Google Apps for Education, your Apps button is either in the top left-hand corner of your toolbar if you have your favorites toolbars on, or it is the grid to the left of your name. If you click the grid, you'll see you can access Drive, Sites, Documents, and a bunch of other things. However, to get to Classroom, you're going to have to type in the address. The address for Google Classroom is classroom.google.com. Okay? If it's the first time you've gone to Classroom, you'll need to scroll down and you need to say, I am a student. If you get a message that says this is not available, you did not log in with your Google account. That's a Gaggle account that's assigned to you by the school. You logged in with your personal account. So you'll click I'm a student. Once you click that, it's going to allow you to join a class, and it'll literally be written on the board. You click the plus sign by your name to join a class. You're going to enter the class code for your class that your teacher will provide for you, and you'll join your class. Once you join your Google Classroom, every time you go back to Google Classroom, it will have that class in your group. You do not have to keep putting in the code. Okay? So here's the class that we have joined. It will have your assignments. It'll give you a quick tour. By the way, I'll tell you what the tour is. This is a stream of consciousness or stream of notes for the class. You can click on classmates to see all the students in your class. You'll find either an announcement or an assignment. An announcement will have information. It may have links for you to do, but there's nothing for you to turn in. An assignment will have, and I'll scroll down to the bottom so you can see one. It will have an assignment. It will say open or late. It will have a due date on it. So if you click open on an assignment, it will allow you to either create or make one, add one to the assignment to turn in. So you can get your instructions from your assignment. You can see if you want to add something you've already previously created. So for example, if you've already written a web page or a document, you're just going to send it in. This is what you would click, the add. If you click create, you're going to make it in Google Drive, and then when you're done, you click the blue button. Okay, so for add, if I already have a document, I would just link it up and click mark as done. If I click create, I will select what I'm creating. For example, a document in Google Drive. By the way, Google Drive auto saves for me. Okay, so here's my document now. It also puts my name on it for the teacher's sake as well as your own. In Google Drive, when I click on it, Then here's my document. I would simply type on it. When I finish typing on it, there is a turn in button that I can simply click right off of Google Drive. Okay, it will take me back to the classroom. It will ask me if I'm finished. If I'm sure, I click turn in. Again, anything in blue reminds me. If I make a mistake on my document and I want to change it, if I click on my document, what I'm going to notice is it's going to say view only when I open it up. That means I've already handed it in. Think about your teachers that have a box. I can't go back and do this, or it'll say access denied, because I've already turned in my document. Okay, so what I'm going to need to do is close out this browser, go back and unsubmit my work. Once I unsubmit my work, you don't have to give a reason, you can go back and make a change and then resubmit it. Think of it like your teachers that have a turn-in box. Once you put a document in the turn-in box, you can't make a change in it unless you go and you pull it out. So you have to pull it out of the box, make your change, and then turn in again. There is now an app for Google Classroom on all smartphones, so make sure you try and use that. You can do all this and turn in your work on your phone. If you download Drive and Docs, you can also type your documents and then turn it in, and use your phone as if a flash drive so you have access to all your files whether you're at school or not. This is extremely important. It doesn't take up space on your phone because it's cloud-based storage. So take advantage of this. This should not be difficult for you to do, and good luck.